Good morning and welcome to the Shackin' First Monday Morning Minute.
Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Shackin and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. Today I want to talk to you about a very important aspect of dentistry, how to sell, and how to sell, especially how to sell the Roundhouse fixed restorations that we offer our patients. Now, when a patient comes in my chair and they have a full denture and they're not happy with them, because most people, let's face it, are not happy with full dentures, upper or lower. Mostly lower is bothersome, but the upper also. What I say to them is, first I say, I introduce myself, I'm Dr. Todd Shackin, how can I help you? What brings you in today? And they'll usually say I'm having a tough time with my dentures, or I don't wear my dentures. Yesterday, I had a man who said, I don't wear my dentures, I can't wear them. I've had them for years, but I can't wear them. I don't wear them at all. So I say to them, are you looking for something that's removable or permanent? That's the first thing I say to them, because I know the answer is always going to be permanent if I can afford it. That's usually the answer, permanent if I can afford it. Because people have already had experience wearing removable dentures and they would like the idea of something that stays in their mouth that they don't have to take out. So I show them the options, and we have to have the models available to show them the options. So I do start out with the option of a detachable bridge, detachable denture that snaps onto the mini implants. We can cut the palate out and it'll feel much better than their existing denture. And that snaps on and off. They do have to take this out to clean it after meals, and I tell them that. You're going to have to take this out to clean it after meals, then you can snap it back in. You can keep it in at night while you sleep. And they like that idea. So I'm kind of building up to the ultimate, which is a fixed bridge, which is what I want them to accept, okay? But I'm showing them an option to take either their existing dentures or new dentures and snap them into place. The next option I show them is the fixed detachable bridge, which is our Fix on 6 option. And I go through this first and then I give them the pricing. Fix on 6 option is a porcelain solution with no plastic whatsoever and nothing on the roof of their mouth. It is detachable in the dental office, not by the patient, and I explain that to them. The reason this one is a little less expensive than the permanent cemented bridge is we need fewer implants. We can get away with 6 to 8 implants for a detachable Fix on 6 restoration. But the drawback of this is it's a little bit thicker and bulkier than the cemented bridge, because we have to have room in the bridge for the housings, okay? And we now offer this, I don't tell the patient, but we now offer this in a couple versions, which is inclusive of the Zantac bridge. You don't want to give patients too many options and too much information to think about. I keep it very simple. 3 options. You can go with the removable, the semi-removable, or the permanent, okay? Now the permanent bridge is what I call our Cadillac. It's the best option we can provide for a patient. We put a series of mini implants in and we cement the teeth in. It feels just like their own teeth again. They never have to remove it. They don't have to have it taken out at the dental office. All they need to do is brush and clean their teeth and use the water pick, just like they would with regular teeth. Brush, electric toothbrush, electric water pick, brush their teeth and rinse, and they're going to be fine as long as they stay away from things like popcorn and nuts that can get stuck underneath. If they do that, they're going to have a great result. So this is the ultimate, and I tell them the price. And sometimes they want to fall out of the chair because they can't afford it. So what do we say? Well, we offer financing up to 7 years. You can pay 2 years no interest, or 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 years with low interest. And they say, well, that might work. And the next thing you say is, how is your credit? And if they say they have really good credit, then you immediately say, how much do you want to put down for the restoration? They can put $1,000 down, $5,000 down, nothing down, I don't care. Whatever they say is fine. Then, once they give me a number, I've told them it's $18,000 for a full Roundhouse bridge. How much would you like to put down? I'll put down $2,000. Okay, we can finance $16,000. I immediately turn to the computer and go to my finance page to finance the dental work for them. I log in and I go to the calculator. If they want to finance $16,000, I type $16,000 in. I say if you want to do 60 months, it would be $339 a month. Or we can do 2 years with no interest at $667 a month. Which would you prefer? And let them pick. Or if they want something else, there's multiple options here. They pick the one they want. Then we go right to the application process and do the application right here with them in front of me. And within a minute or two, I have either an approval or a rejection. If I get a rejection from one finance company, I go to the next one. We have 4. Or I ask them, do you have credit problems? But he already told me he had good credit. So if they have good credit, we go right to the next application, because sometimes one company won't approve it. And this is an example yesterday. I tried Care Credit first. They approved the patient for $1,300. I went to Health Credit Services. They approved them for $995. I thought I was done. I wasn't going to get approval, but I didn't give up. I went to Patient Lending Club, and they approved the patient for $10,000. You just don't know which company will approve, and that's why it's so important to have 4 different options. We have Care Credit, Health Credit Services, the Ally, which is part of Ally, we have Patient Lending Club, and we have Green Sky. We have all 4, and now we're adding Patient Fi, which is another one. We're in the process of getting trained on that. You don't know which company will approve the patient, but once they get approved, especially if they got denied from 1 or 2 before, all of a sudden they get an approval, they're like, yes, I want to go forward. So, to summarize, we give them 3 options, always 3 options. Detachable denture that they take in and out, a detachable bridge that gets taken out at the dental office, or the cemented permanent restoration that never comes out. In my office, for an upper denture, this is approximately $10,000 with the denture and the implants. This one's approximately $15,000 for the detachable roundhouse restoration. It's actually about $15,800. And this one is about $18,000 for the cemented one. There really isn't that much difference in cost between this one and this one. That's why most patients will go ahead and choose the permanent restoration. I hope this was beneficial to you on this Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. We hope everyone out there had a wonderful, wonderful holiday season, and I hope that your 2023 is off to a great start. We're excited at Checkin' First this year. We have a lot of things we want to get across to you guys. And first, let me talk a little bit about what's behind me. I know it looks like I'm in a beautiful summer day here, but November and December really decided to whack us with a lot of snow. I'm sure you guys saw the blizzard that we had right over Christmas. But good news is the snow's melted, we're ready to roll, and we want to see you out at a course. So February 3rd and 4th will be an introductory course on mini and mono dental implants. We want to teach everyone how to do these minimally invasive surgeries that Dr. Shakin and our team has perfected over the years. And another thing I wanted to tell you about is the Chicago Midwinter Dental Show. Come visit us out at our booth. We're going to be lecturing at our booth. We always love to see our dentists in the Midwest, and Chicago is such a great city to have a dental show in. The CDS has been going on since the 1920s, and it's an excellent show, so come out and see us. And then we're back to Buffalo for our first advanced course of the year. The advanced courses fill up quick because it's a lot of information that Dr. Shakin hands out, and we go over some issues that could be occurring. We go over the best way to place the implants. You're going to see a whole day of live surgery. So our advanced course, March 9th and 10th. So make it a point to come out to Buffalo. And I also want to talk about our Academy meeting. The International Academy of Mini Dental Implants Symposium this year will be June 22nd and June 23rd. And it's held out at Caesars Palace in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's a great place to have some education and have a little fun. So make it a point to sign up. Call us today. You can call us at 1-888-4SHACKIN, or you can sign up online at shackinfirst.com. whatever's easiest for you. And remember, we're there for you 24/7. If you ever have any questions, you need to order product, you need any lab information, don't hesitate to give us a call. This year, we want mini dental implants to be your #1 go-to in your dental office. So we're excited to work with you this year. Give us a call, come to a course, and we look forward to seeing you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.